This is for Year 10 Methods Pathways. We're going to look at exercise 1.1, question 17. Now, part A asks you, expand this equation. So we've got 3x minus 9 equals 6. And then part B, we're asked to solve x minus 3 equals 2, which we know when we add 2 to both sides, we get x equals 2, 5. That's my solution. Now, it says if you were to ask to solve this equation, how would you find the solutions using the answer in part B? Now, I know the solution because part A and part B are essentially the same equation, except the only difference is the top equation has been multiplied by 3 on both sides. The reason why I say that is because if I had x minus 3 equals 2, and I multiply both sides by 3, what happens is, now you got to be careful, when we multiply by 3, we're multiplying the whole thing by 3 on one side, we're not just multiplying the x. So we've got 3x minus 9 equals to 6. So this equation are exactly the same. Okay, it's just that we multiplied both sides by 3. If we divide both sides by 3, we get the same equation back. So I know the solution to this would equal to 5. Okay, so I don't even need to solve it because these two are essentially the same equations. If you were to ask to solve the equation 3x minus 9 equals 6, would you know the solution immediately? Yes, because these three equations are essentially multiples of each other, and they're just rearranged differently. One's expanded, one's still partially factorized, and one's still unexpanded and not multiplied. So the answer to this one would be 5 as well. Now it's a bit confusing, but if they're exactly the same equation, then essentially, just because they're multiplied by a number on both sides, it doesn't change the fact that the solution is still the same.